In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a Binance network anomaly. Encountering a network anomaly on Binance can be a frustrating experience, especially when you're in the middle of important transactions. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you through the process to troubleshoot and resolve this issue effectively. First things first, let's make sure your internet connection is stable. Network anomalies often happen due to weak or intermittent internet connectivity. So, it's crucial to check that your connection is solid. You can do this by restarting your router or modem. Simply unplug the power, wait for about 10 seconds, and then plug it back in. Once you're fully reconnected, try accessing Binance again. If your internet connection isn't the issue, let's move on to ensuring there are no restrictions that might be causing the problem. For this, clear your browser cache and cookies. These could store data that becomes outdated, leading to possible hiccups with the site. Just head to your browser settings, find the privacy section, and you'll see the options to clear the cache and cookies. Doing this often helps in eliminating any temporary issues that might be causing the anomaly. Next, let's verify that you're using a supported browser. Outdated browsers can lead to compatibility problems with Binance interface. Make sure your browser, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, or Safari, is updated to the latest version. You can typically find the update option in the settings menu under About or Help. Now, take a quick moment to explore any possible maintenance updates or alerts on Binance. Sometimes, anomalies are simply due to maintenance work on their end. Binance often informs of planned maintenance via their official channels, such as their website or app notifications. Take a few moments to check their announcements section for any updates. If everything still checks out and the issue persists, consider switching devices or networks. This is a great test to see if the problem is specific to your current setup. Try accessing Binance on a different device or connect through another network, like a mobile hotspot, if possible. Lastly, don't hesitate to reach out to Binance support. If none of the above solutions fix the problem, their customer support team is available to assist you. You can usually find their contact information in the help or support section of their website. When you get in touch, make sure to provide as much detail as possible about the anomaly, including any error messages you encountered. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and resolve a Binance network anomaly. Hopefully, with these pointers, you'll spend less time dealing with technical glitches and more time enjoying seamless trading on the platform. If this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more useful guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.